I'm sure you've written formulas across columns where you write the formula once and then copy it across different columns. Like here, we want to calculate the total income for each store. The limitation is if there are changes, then you need to update the formulas across all the columns. But what if you wanted to avoid all that and write the formula just once? Just like here, I have written the formula only once in column B. I have done this using the BYCOL function. In this video, I'll show you how the BYCOL function works, how it simplifies column-based calculations, and how you can use it along with other functions. Let's dive straight in. In this example, I have extracts of income and expenses for a chain of 5 stores. I want to find out the total income, total expenses, and net income for each of the stores. All the items that are in red color and with a minus sign are expenses. All the other items are income items. To get total income, we will need to add all these positive numbers, and to get total expenses, we will need to add the negative numbers. Let's calculate the total income for all stores by just writing a single formula. Since we want the formula to work on all columns, we will use the function BYCOL. The first parameter that the BYCOL function expects is the array. We can select the entire dataset here B2 to F88. The next parameter is called function. This is where we will write the lambda. Lambda expects at least one parameter followed by a calculation. We will call the parameter as col, which stands for each column. For calculation, we will start with a sum function as we want to add the income values. And to get the total incomes, we will use the filter function. Here the array is the col parameter. And for include, we will say col is greater than 0. Close the bracket for filter, sum, lambda, and BYCOL. And we get the value for all the columns. The BYCOL function automatically applies this calculation on each column. Similarly, for total expenses, I will copy the same formula and just change the include condition in the filter function. Instead of col is greater than 0, we will write col is less than 0. And we have the expenses for all the stores. The calculations for net income are simple. I'm just going to add the total income and total expenses. Why add and why not subtract? It's because the values in total expenses are negative, therefore we add. B90 hash so that it includes the value of all the incomes, plus B91 hash so that it includes the values of all the expenses. And that's it. So that's how you use BYCOL for performing same operations across a set of columns. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you'd like to learn more about Excel and Power BI, consider subscribing our channel, Analytics Success. Thanks for watching.